Am I shining or what? Like, I'm actually feeling this. Like, catch me at the beach this summer. Catch me. Catch me at the beach this summer. You might go blind because I'm going to be glistening. I'm going to be a bronze goddess. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, you guys don't know the drama I just had to go through to get this whole setup going for you guys. So I hope you guys like this video, okay? But anyway, so today I have the new Fenty. Well, it's kind of old now. I don't know. On YouTube, everything dies up quick. But the Fenty Beauty released Body Lava on April 6th. So I actually wanted to go to the store to get it, but then good thing I read the reviews first because I seen people doing reviews the same day of the Body Lava, and then I noticed that people were only getting the other color. What was the other called? Who Needs Clothes? Because apparently brown sugar was exclusively online. So I ended up buying brown sugar online. So that's what I have here today. And then I figured I'll just go into the store and I'll go get Who Needs Clothes in the store because I actually had a gift card, like a mall gift card. So I couldn't just use it on like Sephora website. I actually go into the mall. So I figured I'll just go into the mall and buy Who Needs Clothes in there so I can review both of it for you guys. But turns out I waited too long. Who Needs Clothes was sold out. So I just got my package today, and so I only have brown. What was it? I only have brown sugar to review for you guys. But then I also got the Fairy Bomb as well. So this is the packaging. You guys already know I don't really care for packaging, but this packaging, guys, gorgeous. Like literally gorgeous. Okay, let me open this for you guys now. So this cost me a pretty penny, guys. This was, I think it's $59 US, $69 Canadian. So basically $70 Canadian. And the Fairy Bomb, I think it's $52 US. Or no, $42 US, $52 Canadian or something like that. So yeah, this cost me a pretty penny. So I wasn't able to get the brush because one, it was sold out online and in store, and two, your girl couldn't afford it anyways, even if it wasn't, because I think the brush was like $42 or something like that too. Like, girl, Riri, I love you. I always give my money to you. I always give my hard-earned coin to you, but girl, I couldn't do the brush. I could not do the brush. But anyways, so this is the product here. This is brown sugar. So I don't know how many reviews are out about brown sugar because I've seen most people just go to the store so they only got Who Needs Clothes. But this is what brown sugar looks like, guys. This is a lot of product, guys. I will say that. I still say $70 is a bit steep. I feel like she could have brought it down to like 50 Canadian. So like 40 US. And it could have been like 50 Canadian. Max 49 US and then like 60 Canadian. But 70 is a bit steep. But I will say you do get a lot of product. So this is what it looks like. If this has me glowing like how I expect it to, your girl is going to be a bronze goddess all summer, okay? Let me tell you, your girl loves to glow. Y'all know I already love to glow. Like my highlights, I like to be seen from the gods above. I need everyone from outer space to see my glow, okay? So now that we have this, and if it works like how I expect it to work, I need everyone from outer space to see my highlights and my body glow, okay? Actually, when I got this and I opened this, I actually thought it looked like this honey bronze that I have from the Body Shop. I don't know, is the Body Shop in the US? I'm not too sure, but in any case, I got this from a store called the Body Shop, and I figured that like these two, they kind of look alike, right? Like the color is very similar. Now this is supposed to be like a gel type bronze, not bronzer, a gel type glow thing, whatever it's called. And this is marketed as a shimmering dry oil. So they're not technically marketed as the same product, but I figured I might as well do a comparison for you guys anyways, because this is only $30 Canadian. But I actually got this on sale for like $13 Canadian. So if you guys are interested in this, then you know, like, you guys can catch it on a good sale if you guys go to the Body Shop on a good day. But anyways, regular price is like $30 Canadian. So it's still cheaper than this. And this is, let me see. So the Fenty one is 90 milliliters, which is 3 fluid ounces. And the honey bronze from the Body Shop is 100 milliliters and 3.3 fluid ounces. So this technically has more product than this. Well, this is marketed as $30 Canadian, $70 Canadian, and this is actually a little bit bigger than this. So, but again, they're not marketed as the same product. Like this is a dry oil, this is like some type of gel thing. So I'll still do a comparison. Like I'll do like the Fenty one on this side, and I'll do the Body Shop on this side, just so we can see, just for fun, since I don't have Who Needs Clothes anyways. And then this is the next one I got. So look how pretty this is. Honestly, guys, when I've seen Rihanna, like before it even came out, when I seen like the videos of Rihanna using this product as well as the gel or the body lava, I instantly thought this, the Fairy Bomb, was a waste of money. Like I'm sorry, Riri, I love you. I love you. I still bought it. You see, I still bought your product. But I'm just saying, from get-go, I knew this is a waste of money. Like, even if it does work, like when I pat it on myself, even if it does give off, like, you know, a nice glitter, I just think it's a waste of money only because, like this, you can see how much product you have and you can see when it's almost done. The Fairy Bomb, I just don't understand it because you can't see when the product is done. Like, you don't really know when the product's going to be finished or not. So that's why I don't really understand about it. However, it looks cute, and to be honest, I'm probably just going to keep it for collector's purposes. So yeah, I'm just saying that right off the bat. I mean, who knows, maybe when I use it I'll change my mind, but that's just my first thought process. When I seen it, I already knew I was going to buy it just for collector's purposes. I knew it wasn't something that I really cared to necessarily use, if you get my drift. But anyways, I'm talking too much. I know you guys want to see the product, so let me open this. Ugh, guys, look how cute this is. I'm going to keep this on my vanity. Like, this is literally the cutest thing. And so it comes out like this. How cute is this? Honestly, I don't even care. I'm going to keep this just for collector's purposes. This is literally the cutest little thing. I'm going to keep the box too, actually. I'm going to keep my vanity just like, it smells so good, guys. It smells like vanilla? I don't know what that is. I don't know what scent this is, but it smells really nice. But yeah, so let's put this away for right now. So let's take this. Oh, by the way, guys, like I said, I don't have the actual brush that came out with the products because your girl couldn't afford it. So I went out and actually bought this e.l.f. brush. So this was like $7 or something. Riri, I'm sorry, I had to choose between the Fairy Bomb or the brush, and I figured the brush I can just get something else. You know, the Fairy Bomb I kind of wanted for collector's purposes, so you know, your girl had to get an e.l.f. brush. Okay, but anyways, let's move on. So let's try the product. I'm gonna try to be extra like Riri right now. So
shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Fine light in the beautiful sea. I chose to be happy. You and I.
okay, so this is like non-glowy side. Look at my arm fat. Oh my god, let me just pull that up. So non-glowy side, glowy side, inner glow. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Ooh, it's cute. And people said, oh yeah, I see what people are saying. A lot of people are saying it's sticky. And I see that, yeah, it is a bit sticky. I think if you have clothes on, it will transfer. Yeah, I don't know if I like how sticky it is. It's kind of weird, like on my hands right now. It's kind of weird. But it smells really good, and in person, it does look really cute, but I don't know how I feel about that stickiness. But let's move on to the Honey Bronze now. So this is the Honey Bronze one. You can see the light suit thing. So again, that was like more of a gel. This is like more of like a gel. This is marketed as a shimmering dry oil. So let's just see, just for fun, and then we'll move on to the Fairy Bomb after, okay? So this one, kind of like pour it out like that, like this, and then just put a little more. I'm just using my hands for this. See, this one's cute, but see, okay, on camera, you're not going to really see a difference. You're just going to see me glowing all over, like, ooh, some glowy goddess, like, ooh, Okay. In person, I mean, on camera, you're not going to see the difference. I just look like I'm glowing either way. Ooh, nice. Look at that. Look at that collarbone. Okay, yeah. But in person, I actually like the Rihanna side a little bit better, only because not only do you see the sheen, you also see the gold reflex. In the dry oil, it's literally just shine. Like, there's nothing else going on. It's just shine. There's no actual glitter or anything. Now, if you do like that, if you just want the shine and no glitter, then maybe if you have the Body Shop available to you, or another product similar to the Body Shop one, then maybe go for this. But I like this side better simply because it does have the gold and the glitter reflex. You know what I mean? Like, I kind of like that. So I don't know, I guess it's just up to you. But I mean, both, as you can see, do make you shine. Okay, anyway, let's move on to the fairy bomb now. So
I saw the life inside you tonight.
okay, is anything coming out of here, or okay, guys, like, I don't know if I got a defective one or what. What is? Okay, wait. Okay, I'm getting something now. It's like, okay, I'm like just barely getting some glitter out. So like I said, guys. Oh, wait, something's coming. Like, tump up your skin though. Like, tump it louder, tump it louder, tump it. Like, okay. Alright. Okay, whoa. Okay, in person, guys, can you guys see that? Do I look like more glowy? Okay. This is actually cute. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it actually did give me, it smells so good, guys. It actually did give me some glitter. And I'm actually glowing. Ooh. I'm actually feeling myself. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, I'm actually feeling myself. This is actually nice. It's actually really, it actually is. I actually do have some sparkle going on. Okay, Riri. Again, I don't think it's worth. I'm sorry, Riri. I love you, Riri. I don't think it's worth the $70 plus the $52 I spent. However, because I'm a makeup junkie and I love Riri, I'm going to keep the products anyways, just for collector's purposes. If you do want to buy one of the other, or one of the two, I think you should buy the Body Lava. However, keep in mind that the Body Lava is sticky, but when I put the Fairy Balm over, it doesn't really feel sticky. Like, I don't know if the Fairy Balm kind of like set the Body Lava. I don't know if that makes sense, but over here, where I put like most of the Fairy Balm, it doesn't really feel sticky. But like over here, where I didn't put the Fairy Balm, it still feels sticky. So, I don't know, maybe the Fairy Balm is meant to set the Body Lava. I don't know. I still don't think it's worth it, but hey, I don't know. Could be wrong. I don't know. But anyways, this, I would say, if you have the extra money and you like to glow, sure, why not? Get it. It's like, you know what I mean? If you love Riri, if you love to glow, you have the extra money, sure. Do I think you should spend your last coin on it? No. Do I think you can probably do a DIY of it? Probably. Or you can go to the Body Shop and get like a similar version that looks kind of the same, kind of similar, you know what I mean, and just add your own glitter or something like that. Like, I'm sure you can do like your own DIY. And again, this pom-pom, definitely not a necessity. If you love Riri and you like, this is a limited edition, so if you want to get it for collector's purposes, by all means do it. I mean, I did it, but like, I wouldn't spend my last dollar on it. If I had to choose between the two, I would definitely choose this over this. But that's just me. I don't know. Anyways, guys, make sure you guys are following me on all my social medias. It'll be linked down below right here. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Make sure you guys comment down below if you guys bought this product, if you guys like this product. What are your thoughts? Let me know down below. I love you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Like, I am glistening right now. Like, ooh, sexy mommy, hot tamale. You so sexy. You so shiny. Hey, yay. I'm actually feeling this. Like, yo, I'm gonna be wearing tube tops all summer because a bitch is glowing. Okay, watch my inner glow, bitch. Watch out. Make sure you wear some glasses when you see me, okay? Because I'm gonna be glistening. Okay. I can't do the okay. I can't roll my tongue, guys. Okay. I can't do it. I don't know. I can't roll my tongue. I can't roll my R's. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm embarrassment. Okay. I'm sorry.